So we're gonna try to make pumpkin puree to make pumpkin pie out of a real pumpkin.
Ew.
What do you mean, ew?
I want to take out the stuff.
That's gonna be better than the store-bought stuff.
My hands are gonna get
We'll be
all-
right back. Okay, so we're gonna cut it in half and try not to cut ourselves. Bam. Okay. Then clean it out. So you get your dumaflachi. Scoop all that stuff out. Pretty excited. Yo. Put them in there. Set timer. 30 minutes, and then check on it.
I mean, there were like very few young people there. I think there was like maybe 4.
Holy moly. Okay. A lot thicker than I thought it was going to be. I think that is smooth enough.
Yeah?
Yup. Oh yeah.
They're crazy to that one.
It wasn't cool.
Need a spatula.
Aren't you supposed to mix other stuff with it?
Not till we're ready for the pie.
Oh,
Mind your business.
my goodness.
Mind your business.
Mind your business.
Make sure it's all pureed. It's all good. Looks good to me. Be back in a minute.
Against family members that we know that he has absolutely no. His call.
2 eggs.
During the search, what was found in the trunk? A sample of the blood is for testing.
See if you can see that. Sweetened condensed milk. It's been a while since I've had this.
While the killer remains on the loose.
Get all that shit out. All that. I don't know how this is going to come out. It's the first time I've ever done with fresh pie. Or a fresh pumpkin pie with fresh puree, whatever you want to call it. So, teaspoon and a half cinnamon. Oh, that's cumin. Hold on. All right, cinnamon. Make sure it's cinnamon, not cumin. And a half a teaspoon of that. I put a little extra because never hurt anybody. So 2.5. No, half. A full teaspoon. Nutmeg. Go a little. Helping. That's about a teaspoon. No, less than a teaspoon. A teaspoon and a little bit more. Just for flavor. Just a little bit of ginger. Just a little bit. Just a touch. A pinch. A smidge. Smidge. Half a teaspoon of salt. Not too much. Then it'll be salty. Half a teaspoon. Done. Don't want to add too much salt. Then mix all that goodness together. Smells good. Probably back. Yep, that looks a whole lot different. We'll see how it goes. All right, bake 425. 15 minutes. Gonna pour it into this thing right here, and then so 425 for 15 minutes, then 350 for 25 to 35 minutes, just to get it settled. I'll be back in a little bit. So it's in the pie crust. Had a bit, little bit left over, but oh well. So we'll see how this goes. First time I've ever homemade pureed from a pumpkin and put it into, made a pumpkin pie out of it. All right, stove is set at 425, hot as fuck, for 15 minutes. I don't know why, that's what the recipe says, and that's what we're gonna do. Whatever. All right, 15 minutes is up. Drop it down to 350. Once again, I don't know why, that's just what the recipe says. Do the toothpick test. Almost done. Got around 5-10 minutes. So it went for about 55 minutes or so. Do the toothpick test. All good.